Rowett has been involved in the frontiers of nutrition research for the last 100 years, and we've done this by continually exploring the very forefront of the topic. We use new technologies where appropriate, and we challenge dogma. We will continue to do that in areas such as obesity, metabolic health, understanding the role of the gut in nutrition, but most especially trying to understand how nutritional requirements may change across the life course, from the very young to the very old. If we go back to about the 1920s and 30s, the Rowett was really interested in the relationship between food, poverty and health. Nutrition is not just about keeping you alive, it's about keeping you healthy. And I think that has influenced the way we think about nutrition ever since. In the 1960s, they discovered that nutrition was important to how fast animals grow, and that meant that we could make animals grow faster for economic reasons. That had a big impact on agriculture. The third area in the 1990s, the Rowett was critically important to the development of nutritional policy across the UK, and that had a big influence on nutrition policy in Scotland as well as the whole of the UK. Since about 2000, the research has really focused on how we can translate nutritional understanding for the benefit of industry, the food industry and the pharmaceutical industry, as well as development of new government policy.
We have a dedicated team here in the HNU, so as I said, we've got nutritionists, dietitians, technicians and medical staff, and they're all part of running these studies in the HNU as well.
It's great that we do have our own facilities, so we can have very high quality randomised control studies run here at the Rowett Institute. We're in total control of designing the meals and preparing the meals. And because we're seeing the volunteers and having that interaction with them, I think that helps with compliance for them eating the diets. We can attract a lot of high calibre collaborations from other researchers, other universities in Europe, internationally, and getting commercial work.
The Rowett is an outstanding research facility that brings together scientists working on nutrition and health from molecules to man to society. And working side by side with these world-leading researchers provides an outstanding environment for discovery.
The Rowett has the biggest concentration of nutrition researchers anywhere in the UK. You combine that expertise with the facilities we have on offer, particularly things like the human intervention facilities we have. It means that we are undoubtedly a key, if not the leading, research centre for nutrition in the UK.
And the ways that we can improve human health, there's not going to be one answer. And when we look at this from a variety of different perspectives, then we're going to find different solutions that are going to improve health for different people. The reason why it's important to have an institute like the Rowett is because we have world-leading scientists that are looking at nutrition and health from a variety of different perspectives.
As a brand, we emphasise the quality of the research that we do, and when we go out and give talks externally, then people recognise, oh, you're from the Rowett, you do really good research. So I'm very proud of the work that I do, and it's important to me that I make an impact on people's lives. You know, I've had some amazing experiences working with the food industry, and that has enabled me to have my research to go from the science base straight onto the supermarket shelf, which is quite exciting, to be able to influence the type of foods that we eat.
The Rowett is like a big family in one sense. It's a very strong community, but being an institute with a strong reputation means that when people come here to research or to study, they feel really proud about having been here, and they always go away feeling that it's a place that they take with them for the rest of their lives.